Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can install various applications in your App Store without Apple ID password or without Face ID. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments after watching this video, and let us get started with you. So, first of all, on your iPhone, set up your phone. Then go to Screen Time. And scroll around a little bit here, and go to Content Restrictions and Privacy. Next, make sure you have everything turned on here. Then go to iTunes and App Store. And this is where you'll need to either make sure or switch to the most recent feature. Don't require. And then you go back to Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. You find the Face ID and Password section. Enter your password, or Face ID is yours. And this is where you need to disable iTunes and the App Store. If you have it like this, I mean it's on, you'll need to toggle it off. Then you can exit the settings, go to the App Store. Pull up absolutely any program or game. And you'll need to download it, for example. In order to download it, the only thing you need to click on is to install or download. And you don't have to enter your Apple ID password or your Face ID anymore. That's how you can install the app without your Apple ID password, folks. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel, don't forget to put likes, and be sure to write comments. See you soon, friends.